Rapid fire answers coming your way. What's today's burning question? Let's find out.
Capsaicin in chili peppers can irritate your stomach lining, causing digestive upset. To prevent this, eat spicy food with dairy like yogurt or milk, which neutralizes capsaicin. Drink plenty of water and avoid spicy peppers on an empty stomach. Start with mild peppers and gradually increase heat to help your digestive system adapt.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.